sun is rising on this brand new year. We'll all be cheering, we're finally here. Hurry up, January 20th, 2025. Thank God our country's got a second chance to survive. No more wars, we're bringing them back. With America first, we'll be back on track. Price of food and gas dropping, we're feeling the thrill. I hear the anthem ringing, drill, baby, drill. Inauguration Day, with Old Glory on display. The dream team's here, it's time to play. Hope on the horizon, the state ain't too deep. With Elon catching rockets even in his sleep. RFK Jr., the voice of reason, fighting corruption, no matter the season. Vivate's got charisma, his speeches inspire. Now it's Doe's turn to say you're fired. Tulsi's got compassion and a steel-eyed glare. When she's in charge of intelligence, y'all better beware. No more fake news, it's finally a bust. Joe Rogan and Tucker are the boys we can trust. Oh, Inauguration Day, a red, white, and blue ballet. A dream reborn in the USA. The culture's shifting, we're back in gear. Dana's got the whiskey, Kid Rock's got the beer. JD, boots caked in mud, a country boy from Ohio with grit in his blood. The Rust Belt's rising, we're getting things done. For the folks forgotten, this fight's just begun. On center stage, Trump takes a bow, Quip's biggest crowd ever. You believe me now, with a duo like Trump and J.D. Vance. Even Joe and Jill will be doing the Trump dance. We'll fix inflation and we'll fix the roads. We'll drain the swamp with an extra large hose. The eagle soars, Kennedy grins. Time to make America healthy again. Oh, Inauguration Day.